Hi, kids. This book is for you, and it's called the Don't Worry book, because I know that a lot of you are worried right now, and a lot of the people that you live with are worried, and worry doesn't feel good. Sometimes you worry. Worrying happens when you think too much about a problem or feel afraid that something bad is going to happen. You might worry when you meet someone for the first time, even if it's a friendly bat. When someone is being mean, when it's dark, when you are trying to sleep, or when you go to the bathroom, when you go somewhere new, when you are alone, or when you have too much to do. You might worry when it rains, when you get sick or have to go to the doctor, when watching TV, or from looking at screens too much. You might worry when someone is being loud. Look at that dog. Woof, woof, bark. Ow. Or when you go to school, or when you overhear some bad news. Worrying can make you sad. When you worry, try doing something to keep yourself busy, like talking to someone special. Might be your fish, might be your dog, or your mom or dad, or you might FaceTime somebody. Taking deep breaths. Visiting friends by FaceTiming. Wearing underwear on your head. It's hard to worry when you have underwear on your head. Try it. Reading a book. Dancing. Exercising. Aren't these good ideas? Squeezing a toy. Squeak, squeak. Or giving your dog a toy to squeeze, because that's always a funny noise. Or thinking about all the things that make you strong. And remembering everyone who loves and takes care of you. Worrying doesn't help you. If you are worried, talk to someone you love about it. It will make you feel better. The end. Love, Todd, the author. So I hope this helps. Those are a lot of good ideas that you can try. I love you. See you soon.